All right, so for the Renegade row, think about getting yourself into a push-up position or a plank position. While you're in that push-up and plank position, you may need to spread your feet apart just a little bit for a little bit extra stabilization. And then while one hand is holding onto one of the dumbbells, the other hand is going to be rowing that other dumbbell up. Think about trying to keep that elbow sliding alongside your torso and driving that elbow as high as you possibly can. Then bring that hand back down, place it on the ground, stabilize, and then you're gonna row up on the other side, doing the same thing with that elbow. The whole time packing your shoulders, shoulders down and back, proud chest, long spine out the top of your head. So if you're needing to regress that Renegade row, it's too difficult. There's two reasons why it might be too difficult. One, it might be too heavy of weight, and so you're gonna need to obviously drop the weight. That's the first and easiest thing that we can do for our regression. The other is maybe it's difficult for you to hold that stable position in a plank, so you can go ahead and drop to your knees. The next thing that you'll do is reduce the distance, so don't go as far up when you row. And then the last thing that you're gonna do is to slow down that movement. The first thing that you're gonna do is add speed. So keeping that same stable platform in the plank position, you're gonna increase your speed. Once you've increased your speed to the top speed that you can go while still having a quality movement, if you still need to progress, the next thing that you would do is add weight or increase your load.